Subscribe my channel, press bell icon for new videos. Hello everyone, I am Anushka and in this video I will be making a wall hanging art. So let's start. First of all, take cardboard and cut 9 squares of 5 cm. Now paint them with different colors. Using golden color, make the dots around the border of the squares. Now stick the mirror as shown in the video. Now take another cardboard and place the squares on it as shown in the video. Now cut excess part of the cardboard using a paper cutter. If you want a tutorial of this wall hanging, please comment. Now take the lace and stick them using glue on the edges of the hanger. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.